Hi, in this video I will show you email automation, and this can be used by anyone who is sending a lot of mails or bulk mails regularly. This automation is going to save you a lot of time and effort, and this is just a very basic example, not very complex, but you will get an idea how it works and how much time and efforts you can save. So let's see how it works. Here we have few records of employees, and I will click this button and it will generate emails. First of all, it will generate experience letters in MS Word format, and let me show you the template that we are going to use. Okay, so we are going to use this template. Here you can see that I have written these some text in brackets. So basically these are the tags that will be replaced by automation automatically. They are repeating as well. For example, employee name is at multiple places here, and company name is also repeating, right? So let's see how it works. I'm going to close this and I'll click on this button, and I will show you how after generating Word documents it will also generate emails automatically here, right? So it will do two tasks. It will first generate experience letters in MS Word format, and then also draft emails for each individual using this email ID. Okay, so let us click here and see. Now you will see here it is generating experience letters in MS Word format, and simultaneously it is also generating emails. And you can see that email, the name of the file is also very meaningful. You will get the employee name, employee ID, so that you can easily identify which experience letter belongs to which employee. And here you can see that it has generated emails, equal number of emails. Okay. And here is experience letter attached with the email. So this is how it will work, and this is just a very basic example, very simple example of automation. Okay, let me show you one experience letter of Shweta. You can see. So it has replaced those tags with the names or company names, experience, I mean starting date, ending date, and salary, the name of the company everywhere, right? So this is how it works, and you can easily use such solution, customized solution, to save your time and a lot of efforts. And for any such automation, please get in touch with me. Let us discuss your requirement and get it done. Thanks for watching.